welcome back to another video. So today we got a little bit of a freak snowstorm. So we're going to be doing two things today. Obviously snowboarding, and then we're going to try and go on an off-road trail after we hit the slopes. I'm pretty excited for today's adventure because it's combining two things that I really like. Well, three: extreme snow, snowboarding, and exploring in the truck. I'm pretty excited. Today we're skiing at Liberty, and as you can tell, the wind is just really kicking. It's supposed to really drop in temperature and get pretty crazy. But yeah, I'm excited. The snow's a little sticky and heavy, but if you watched my last video on me snowboarding, you'll know that I'm actually a skier and I'm beginning to learn to snowboard. Oh my god, the wind. So I'm not an expert snowboarder, but I definitely love the sport, and I'm excited to get one more day on the East Coast of skiing and fresh snow. So let's go hit the slopes and I'll see you in a little bit. That was definitely the best run I've ever done, ever. That was a huge improvement.
It's like that one. So when did that happen?
I don't know. Imagine if I had a good board.
Just another sunny day in Southern California. It's where the people came to play. Don't let them transform you. Come and see what you.
Okay, so quick update. We've done, I don't know, about like 5 runs? Not too many. It's really busy on the mountain today, and as you can see, the height of the blizzard stopped and the wind's starting to roll in. It's like about 24 degrees, but the feel like is 13 degrees. Anyways, but yeah, I'm doing really well. As you can see, I've improved a lot. I'm really excited about the improvement, and we'll probably do a couple more runs and then hit the trail, hit the off-roading trail, which I'm pretty excited about. Overall, just a really great day. Solid day. Okay, that's all I got. I couldn't stop. We're just coming off the mountain. The temperature dropped about 10 degrees with wind chill, so it's pretty icy right now. So like quick recap of snowboarding. I've definitely improved a lot, and I'm really excited about that. Right now we're just kind of regrouping, and then we're gonna go get gas, get some snacks, and hit the off-roading trail and see what we can get into there, what kind of adventures. It's been a pretty fun, exciting day overall, and no complaints. All right, guys, so we made it to what we believe is an off-roading trail. You're now entering the forest of the city of Fredrick. So we found this guy's YouTube, and he said that this is like a loop trail. It's like a pretty easy gravel road off-roading trail, so we thought we would try it because we are close to the mountain where we just snowboarded. So we're just gonna see what it brings. I'm not really sure like what we're gonna run into or what to expect, but he said it was pretty easy, so we'll see. All right, let's get to it. It's cold out. Ooh, it's really pretty too. The entrance is like really tucked away. Oh, this is like really pretty. Jeez. It's nice. We just found this dam. It's crazy. Guess that's part of the watershed, this dam. Oh, we came to the split in this road. It's like Gambrill Park Road and then Mountaindale Road. And Mountaindale Road was like our original marking road. So now, but we like don't really know where the trail goes. Like we don't know what the loop is. So, all right, go up the hill. I guess Gambrill Park Road is where we're gonna go. No recreational activities in or around Reservoir.
So Alex, how technical is this drive?
I give it a basic level technologically advanced. Just basic level technical. Two-wheel drive. It's in two-wheel drive.
Okay. No reason to go into 4-high or
No,
use
it's
any
pretty, yeah,
tools?
It's pretty basic. I mean, this is really just like a gravel road with potholes and slush. We've hit an obstacle, this down tree. I know some of you be like, I'll just drive over it. No, it's gonna be a no for me. No driving over trees. So my dad, you go, Dad. You think people put that there on purpose so they can like have fun and like, oh, let's go over this tree, dude. Dude, let's go over the tree, bruh. That's not really my style. Good job. Good job. Yay! Good job. So we're letting these people pass, and they're literally in a little Honda Civic. So, I mean, if that Honda Civic can do this trail, it's pretty easy. Definitely not difficult at all. It looks like an uncomfortable ride in a Civic, but you know, it is what it is. Hi. The whole family in there. Oh my God. And there's a 4Runner. So it's definitely a popular trail. I wasn't expecting to see this many people on the trail, but there are.
can't tell on the video, but it's a little bit of a steep hill. You're in two-wheel drive.
Yeah.
You think you could do it? Want to give it a shot?
Yeah, I'm gonna do it.
All right, let's see what happens. All right, what happened?
Wait, hold on. Okay, we got stuck. We're stuck. All right, hold on. We're high. It's starting to get really icy. All right, there we go. All better. I think Bigfoot lives here, guys. My plane. Wow, look at the way these rocks are like stacked. Like, it almost looks fake, doesn't it?
So, Alex, what's going on here?
Bigfoot. We found evidence of Bigfoot. Because it's Appalachia, and every weird thing you find here is Bigfoot related. Alright guys, so that was kind of the trail. It took us about a little bit over an hour. That's because we stopped and filmed some stuff. But you know, it was a really easy trail, like I said. The Honda Civic was doing it. We went in for high once to get up that hill. Wow. And we could have done two-wheel drive, honestly, the whole way through. But I hope you enjoyed today's video. It was like a double adventure, you know, a little bit of snowboarding and off-roading. Like I said in one of my videos previous, I'm trying to combine the content I create here for you guys, and I hope you guys genuinely enjoy a little bit of mixture of everything. Can you hear that wind? Anyways, it's 20 degrees, not with wind chill, and I'm gonna end this video here. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for supporting my channel, and as always, I hope you enjoy this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys. It's so cold. Yeah, also here's the aftermath of the truck. She's a little dirty.